Hi, I'm Dennis Howard with The Track. Today we're on I-94 in North Dakota with Greg McCormick, President of Northern Improvement Company. Greg, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me, Dennis.
Well, thanks for having us on your job site. What are you doing out here today?
We are reconstructing 6 miles of Interstate 94 concrete pavement for the North Dakota Department of Transportation Fargo District. Our traveling concrete crew just completed 3 miles of the westbound, and now we're tying in the ramps. Now the traffic will be switched over and we'll work on the eastbound side. Well, we do both types of asphalt, paving, gravel, grading, crushing, removals. Pretty diversified operation, so it's a fun company to work for.
All infrastructure sounds like, so the infrastructure bill is big for your company, I would think.
Yeah, there's a lot of good opportunities the last couple of years for us. We work in North Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, Arizona, California, Nevada, and Minnesota. The tough part is finding enough people and equipment that know how to do this type of work.
You've got to have some really good equipment to do that with.
Got to have the best, and we have a lot of different vendor partners in the industry for the different types of work that we're involved with, and we're so happy that RDO and WIRTGEN have come through with us to get us this placer spreader to complement our trimmer and our paver.
It feels like we've got a really good relationship in the concrete stuff. The placer spreader's working good for you. You've had it, what, a year now, a little over a year now?
Yeah, about 13 months.
Okay, and you've done multiple projects, including this one.
We started on a job just south of Fargo, not too far from here, for the Corps of Engineers on a grade raise project. It was the very first time we put the very first serial number 1 WIRTGEN placer spreader into use.
So you were the guy that took the first step then.
Yeah, our crew enjoyed that. We loved all the attention we got from WIRTGEN and RDO. It was quite professional, the onboarding, with dozens of people showing us how to run it, and it's very user-friendly. A lot of risk in this type of work, Dennis, as you know. And what we're hoping for with our partners is that they can deliver the iron close to when they say they can, that our crew is going to be relying on the new technology so that we can be competitive in the United States system. That's what it's all about. It's so exciting to have new equipment, new shiny equipment that can do things that we haven't seen equipment be able to handle before.
That first step into Stringless, I mean, it's a big step. I don't think anybody ever liked strings. I mean, I think we all kind of think they were annoying. Somebody would always back into them or run over them or step on them, but when they're gone, you kind of miss them a little bit.
Yeah, we first started paving stringless 3-4 years ago. Now we're fully capable of trimming, spreading, paving on the interstate. It's a safety thing, like you say, Dennis. You have so much more room. You got your haul road for trucks, laborers, finishers, not having to keep stepping over that string all day. There's just so many things that is nice about this streamlined process. I'm just so proud to be able to construct a project like this with our industry partners for the North Dakota Department of Transportation right here near our corporate headquarters in Fargo, North Dakota.
Great. Thank you very much. We really appreciate your time today.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Hey, I'm Dennis Howard. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you soon. Anything else about this project you want to tell the people that are watching the video?
No, I don't think so.